Hey guys, this is a quick one. I just reviewed this blender just last week, here, and I just brought it out to use the second time. And guys, I'm so scared. I can't even use this blender anymore. The thing was just coming out smoke. Smoke was coming out from this place and from the body as well. I think it was coming from under. Immediately I just unplugged it now. See, I'm trying to blend this. I didn't even blend it for long. Just remove it now to see, for it to cool down. And it's also something is coming out from under. I don't know what this thing is. See, all these things are coming out from under as you're blending, to be giving that sound as if something is packing inside. Once I unboxed this thing, I told you guys it has some one kind funny smell. It has some one funny smell. I don't understand what is going on. Oh God. Is this like I've wasted money or something? See, you can hear the sound from it. I don't even know what is going on. I've contacted the seller. I've not heard from them. Not heard from that. At least in the pack, they wrote 1 year warranty. I will update this video if I hear from them. I'm even scared to use it right now. I can't not use this blender right now. So guys, be careful if you are buying this brand. Be very careful. Like, I can't even use it. I'm so scared to use it right now because the smoke was too much. It was just coming out from this. It was coming out from here, from under, from everywhere. I had to just quickly unplug it, and all these things too was coming out from under the blender. I don't know what this thing is. I don't know what it is. See, wow, God. And I was so scared of buying this blender. And even when I bought Silver Crest, I used Silver Crest for more than a year. I didn't even experience any of this. Like, I just bought this blender. Does it mean my money is gone? Hey Jesus, help me, oh God. I can't even use it. I can't use it. So guys, be careful. Be careful of this blender. It's very dangerous. It's very, very dangerous. I don't know. And I will say I bought it from the right source. Or did they have a fake? What is going on? What is going on? The smell too that is coming out from it. So scary. So scary. Like, I just bought this. Like, I've not even used it. The first time I used this, I just blend. If you know this small beans with it, just small, just to like half, you know, this tomato cup, half cup of beans. That's what I just today. I want to make more, and smoke was just coming out from everywhere. Guys, please let me know in the comment section if you have this experience, and if you've not bought, if you're considering buying this blender. This is not a good buy. This is not a good buy at all.